Most people think Auto Attendant and IVR are the same thing, but there's a difference. They're built for different purposes, and choosing the wrong one might impact your business needs and may not work with what you actually got it for. So before we dive into the video, let's clear up a few things. We'll explore what each one is, how they differ, and how to decide which one is suitable for your business needs. Also, make sure to stay till the end, and you'll never confuse these two ever again. Let's start with the Auto Attendant. You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Thank you for calling. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support, 0 for the operator. That's all an Auto Attendant does. It's a digital receptionist. It answers the call, plays a greeting, offers a menu, and routes the caller to the right person or department. Its whole job is to get the caller to a human as quickly as possible. It doesn't collect information. It doesn't look anything up. It just directs incoming calls. IVR, which stands for Interactive Voice Response. By the name, it feels similar to the call menu, but it does much more. It builds interaction with the caller without the involvement of any operator. An IVR doesn't just route calls. Its purpose starts after the Auto Attendant's task completes. When a caller interacts with the IVR, it connects to the business system, extracts the correct information, attaches it to the pre-recorded message, and delivers it back to the caller. Think of when you call your bank and a voice says, "Enter your account number," and then reads you your balance. Nobody looked that up. The IVR connected to the bank's database pulled your balance and read it to you. Or you call about an order and the system says, "Enter your order number," then tells you it shipped yesterday. That's the purpose of IVR and how it works. It collects input, talks to back-end systems, and can actually complete tasks, pay a bill, check a balance, track an order, without a human ever picking up. Here's the clean line between them. An Auto Attendant routes. Its goal is to connect the caller to the right person, fast. It's about navigation. An IVR resolves. Its goal is to handle the request itself, often without involving a person at all. It's about self-service. Said another way, an Auto Attendant is a smart receptionist. An IVR is a self-service kiosk. One points you to the right desk. The other does the task at the desk for you. So which should you set up? If you're a small business or a team that just needs callers to reach the right department, an Auto Attendant is all you need. It's simpler, faster to set up, and it's what most companies actually want when they say, "I need a phone menu." You need an IVR if you operate a large enterprise that deals with a high volume of information that callers seek continuously, even at off hours. IVR enables callers to get answers or complete actions on their own, like checking balances, tracking orders, and paying invoices, because your call volume is high enough that it saves real time and resources which would otherwise be required to be completed with calls. So, IVR solves it by connecting the phone system to your databases, which cuts off human involvement completely. Here's a good rule to pick. Start with an Auto Attendant. Add IVR as self-service, only when you have a clear, repetitive task that customers call about constantly. In KrispCall, you can build an Auto Attendant and IVR experience directly. Record a greeting, create your menu, and route each key to a person, a team, or voicemail. Whenever you need IVR, you can set the same menu to Interactive Voice Response, anytime you need it. For most businesses, getting the value of both features in the same phone system is actually what they want, and it takes only a few minutes to build. So, to lock it in, an Auto Attendant answers and routes. An IVR interacts, looks things up, and can resolve the request itself. Most businesses need the first, but only think they need the second. KrispCall lets you set up your call menu and routing in minutes, with plans from $12 a month. Links in the description. Subscribe for more straight-talking phone system explainers. See you next time.